This is the all-new BMW X3. Stay tuned to get a first impression of its design, its driving characteristics, connectivity features, and BMW's Driving Assistant Plus. Clearly, this SAV is well suited for an urban environment, but also for rough terrain. The front of the all-new X3 is an expression of power and poise with a bold-looking double kidney grille. The headlights are optionally available as adaptive LEDs. Now, they not only look great, but more importantly, they offer better lighting and more safety. Inside view, the all-new BMW X3 unfolds its dynamic proportions. Below the horizontal shoulder line, powerful sculpted surfaces make an explicit statement of robustness. The rear is sporty flat, with the taillights emphasizing the width of the vehicle, and this X3 is equipped with the optionally available full LED taillights. A true eye-catcher is their three-dimensional look. Now let me show you the interior. Compared to its predecessor, it offers an even higher quality and a better touch and feel. The M40i includes a completely new M Sport multifunction steering wheel, the M Design sport seats, and the Sensatech dashboard. In the X3, BMW offers the latest iDrive technology. The center display is the largest in the segment, 10 inches to be exact. Always be up to date with live content, like weather, for example. And the operating concept is also quite simple. You can use the interface via touch, gesture, voice, or with the iDrive controller. Before we go for a ride, let's check out the loading possibilities and the functionality of the all-new BMW X3. And what we have here is a loading capacity of 550 liters, but of course, you can enlarge it. Very comfortable, therefore, is the remote rear seat backrest release. Now you have 1,600 liters. Very practical is also the stowage for the luggage cover under the trunk floor. And now to the engine. What we have here is the powerful M Performance model, the X3 M40i. It is equipped with the M Performance twin power turbo inline 6-cylinder petrol engine and hosts 360 horsepower and an impressive torque value of 500 Newton meters. With its 8-speed Steptronic transmission, the BMW X3 M40i powers from 0 to 100 in only 4.8 seconds. A strong suit of any BMW is its driving dynamics. The all-new BMW X3 is the perfect vehicle for urban regions, meaning on-road, but also off-road. With an impressive drag coefficient of only 0.29, this SAV sets new technological standards in its class. Furthermore, it is up to 55 kilograms lighter compared to the second generation. Among other things, this ensures improved efficiency and greater agility. A highlight is the interior sound of the all-new BMW X3. Compared to its predecessor, the third generation offers even better acoustics. One reason is the acoustic glass, which the windshield and the side windows are made of. Now let's talk about BMW Connected Plus, your personal mobility companion. It comes with new intelligent features that make your daily life a bit easier. For example, just think about planning your next trip conveniently while sitting at home. Your smart planning assistant also knows your current fuel status, and if necessary, will give you fuel stop recommendations on the way. BMW Connected Plus then transfers your smart route seamlessly to your vehicle. Another very convenient feature of BMW Connected Plus is Share Live Trip status. While driving, you can inform selected family members, friends, and business partners about your likely arrival time and your current whereabouts in a map view. They will receive a link to a dedicated website where they can receive all necessary information about your current trip. The big benefit, everyone invited is automatically updated on the status of your trip, and you can concentrate on driving. A huge step towards highly automated driving is BMW's Driving Assistant Plus. It offers a great number of features, such as evasive aid, crossroads warning, or the steering and lane control assistant. The last one supports the driver and helps keep the vehicle in the center of its lane. It also incorporates active cruise control, which automatically adapts speed when you're stuck in traffic, making it perfect for highways. Good to know, it is now possible to customize your X3 with BMW Individual. The X3 is an ongoing success story, and the all-new X3 is the next level of driving dynamics and functionality, whether in an urban environment or on rough terrain. For more information, go to bmw.com/X3.